Bonjour, aloha, ni hao, hello. Wherever you are, I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Happy Project. So today I'm so excited because I finally got most of the packages I ordered last week from Amazon. And guess what? They are all gardening stuff, tools, and accessories. So let's start unboxing my packages. Okay, I have my magic gloves. No, it's not really magic, but I just feel like wearing them. Okay, let's start with the smallest one, which is just in a plastic, but it has bubble wraps to protect it. Okay, let's see what it has. You see how tiny it is? And this is where they put it in. Actually, I heard that the reason why the sellers would still put it in a bigger box or bigger plastic even though you just ordered something tiny is so that your package won't get lost. Because if they just pack it in a very tiny box as small as this, then there's a huge chance that it will get lost during the shipment. So let's see what I have here. If you could remember last week, I posted a video about succulent arrangement, and I'm planning to do some more because I really enjoyed it and I feel like I can still redo my other succulent pots here at home. And I ordered some additional things online that I can use for designing the garden. So here. This is a miniature pond or a micro pond. That's a pack of 3. The last one, if you watched that video, I used a river instead of a pond or a lake, but that one I just made it. So I painted it and put it all together to make it look like a river. But this time I just ordered them to make it easier and to save my time as well. So that's the first package. Okay, have that. Let's move on to the second box. So I'm gonna choose this one. This one looks like it came straight from the seller and not from Amazon. I actually have a few more packages coming in this week and one of it is gonna come today. But it's already 2 p.m. and I really want to shoot the video already, so I just decided to unbox without waiting for that package to come. Alright, you see how good they wrap packages here? You can toss it and throw it and your package or product is still undamaged. And it looks really, really well packaged. See it? The light is reflecting so much and this is white. Let me take it out. Okay, so this is the plate. This is actually a small pot, small indoor pot. And I chose a diagonal style. No, I broke the foam already. There you go. Look how pretty it is, and it's diagonal, so it has a lot of character. If anybody of you guys watch HGTV, I really like the, what do you call that show where they renovate really old and broken homes into something more modern and very stylish, and they love using the word character, like, oh, your living room has a lot of character, oh, your chair has a character. So I kind of like adopted that when I'm describing something that I really like, that I think is very stylish, so it has a lot of character. Alright, let's let's move on to this one. Let's see what we got. Okay. Alright. I'm not sure what this is, so there's another box inside the box. Let's open it. You guys, opening boxes or packages is really so therapeutic for me. I feel like I'm a little child opening Santa Claus gifts during Christmas. Like, I don't know, it sounds so shallow or lame, but for someone like me, like, I don't really go out or do anything, so this is like a source of happiness for me. And you can say it's kind of materialistic, but I'm not buying random things that can't be used. I mean, these are all useful and will make my house beautiful and could help me grow more plants, so no shame and no guilt on that. Okay, so these are a set of pots, smaller ones. Okay. It's in a rectangle shape. Alright. There's two of them. I was looking for just one because I just really need one, but I can't find just one. So there, I have two of them. I'm gonna use this for my succulents. It comes with very cute bamboo plates. So pretty. And lastly, let's open the biggest box. A little hard to open. Okay. It looks like there are two different things inside it. It comes with this wrap. Okay, so first it has a small box. Let me open it up. This one is another pot. So pretty. I was thinking of making all my pots white, but I ordered like a brown or bronze one for this, just so it's a bit different. And also I'm gonna place it to where it's between two windows with blinds that are colored brown, just so it's gonna match the blinds. So this is the plate. I actually thought it's gonna be bigger or thicker than this. I hope it's bigger, but it's not. So anyway, looking really nice, and you can see the texture. It has like a wooden texture, and I really like it. Again, it has a lot of character. And then let's open another one here. It's the last one on this box. There's a lot of things going on here. How to open. They pack it really nicely. Like, look at that. It's a foam. Everything is covered with foam. Make sure your package is gonna arrive in pristine condition. So it looks like the planter stand or the pot stand, which is the pot that is supposed to come today, but again, I can't wait for that anymore. So I have that. And then there's another one here. Okay, so easy to assemble. And you could screw it. It comes with this tiny screw to make sure it wouldn't move. Okay, let me take out my magic gloves. Alright, so I got these tiny screws. And let me try to do it like this. Oh, good. And I have an extra screw which I'll probably not use. And what I like with this one is you could use either side. Like if you want it to be taller, you could put it like this so the pot will be placed here. But if you want it to be lower, you can use it like this so your pot will be lower and closer to the floor. So that's a really good idea, and it says it can fit up to a 12-inch pot, and that's actually what I ordered. So that's the pot stand, and again, here's the mini ponds or mini lakes, whatever you want to call it. And I have the white diagonal pot. This is where I'm gonna put my bromeliad. Oops. And then I got 2 of these, an indoor pot as well for my succulents. And lastly is this metal pot that has a wooden texture, and I'm gonna be putting this in between my windows in my living room, and I'm gonna put some succulents in it as well. And that's all for my Amazon haul last week for my indoor plants, and I hope you guys like my video. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and comment below your recent purchase for your plants, whether it's indoor or outdoors, and see you guys on my next video. Have a great day. Bye.